So the general formula for yp was 1 upon fd into x. In our case, qp will be 1 upon fd, and instead of x we will have t. What is fd? Fd is d square plus 1 upon lc into t. T is nothing but e by l sine of nt. So this is our qp. Now we are given n square equal to 1 upon lc, so instead of lc we can write d square plus n square into e by l sine of nt. E by l is constant, so we can take it out of the operator of d, so we get e by l into 1 upon d square plus n square into sine of nt. So if you see, this equation is similar to sine of ax plus b upon f of d. So in this we used to replace d square by minus of a square. In our case a is n, so d square will be replaced by minus of n square. So when we replace d square by minus of n square, this term becomes 0 and this term will create problem. So when the term create problem, we have sine of ax plus b upon d square plus a square the whole raised to r. Then the formula of this is given by x raised to r upon r factorial into minus 1 the whole raised to r upon 2a the whole raised to r into sine of ax plus b plus r pi by 2. So we are going to apply this formula here also. So here we have x raised to r is the power of this term, here the power is 1. So in our case r is 1, a is n, and x will be replaced by t. So here we have x raised to r, so t raised to 1 upon r factorial, so 1 factorial into minus 1 the whole raised to r upon 2a, a is n, the whole raised to r into sine of this ax plus b and ax plus b remain as it is, so sine nt will remain as it is plus r pi by 2. R pi by 2 is nothing but pi by 2. So now if we solve this, we get qp as minus sign will be taken outside, so minus e into this t upon l into 2n, so 2ln, and sine of nt plus pi by 2 is nothing but cos of nt. So this is our qp. Then the final solution will be q equal to qc plus qp. What is qc? c1 cos of nt plus c2 sine of nt, and qp we have calculated as minus e by t 2ln cos of nt. But we need to prove that q is equal to ec by 2 into sine nt minus nt cos nt. So we do not need this constant c1 and c2. So to get rid of the constant, we know that we have to assume something. At when the time is 0, q represents charge. When the time is 0, the charge is also 0. So we are going to assume this. So charge is 0. c1 cos of 0. Cos 0, what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1, and sine 0, this term will be 0, and when we put t equal to 0 here, this term will also become 0. So we get c1 equal to 0. Then our equation will get modified as q into this term become whole 0 when we put c1 equal to 0, and these two terms will remain as it is. So c2 sine of nt minus et 2ln cos of nt. So this is our new equation of charge.